Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome to Jharkhand GS. In our channel, we have discussed several topics related to general studies of Jharkhand. On the top of this video, you will find the direct link of our complete general studies of Jharkhand playlist. Today, I am here to discuss a very important topic related to current affairs. On the 3rd March 2021, our Jharkhand government has passed the financial budget of the year 2021-22. The government on Wednesday 3rd March tabled the annual budget of 91,277 crores. We will look in details the statistics related to this budget. So let's start. The Jharkhand government on Wednesday tabled the annual budget of Rs 91,277 crores for the financial year of 2021-22 with a focus on education and health sectors. Jharkhand Finance Minister Rameshwar Udaon tabled the budget in the State Assembly on Wednesday amid a parallel budget tabled by the main opposition party BJP. Of the 91,277 crore rupees, a sum of Rs 75,755.01 crores has been set for revenue expenditures, while a sum of Rs 15,521.99 crores have been set for institutional expenditures. The budgetary allocations have been done in three sectors. The general sector has been allocated a sum of Rs 26,734.05 crores. The social sector 33,625.72 crores and the economic sector Rs 30,917.23 crores. The fiscal deficit for 2021-22 has been pegged at Rs 10,210.87 crores, which is 2.83% of the GSDP. The Financial Minister said that in the year 2019-20, the growth rate of Jharkhand was 6.7%. However, due to coronavirus pandemic, apart from the country, the growth rate in Jharkhand has also been impacted. He said that in 2020-21, the GDP of the country is expected to fall by 7.5%, while that of Jharkhand is expected to decline only by 6.9%. Udaon said that due to the efforts of the state government, development has once again came on track. Due to far-sighted policies in the year 2021-22, the growth rate has been projected at 9.5%. The state government is likely to generate Rs 23,265.42 crores from its own taxes. Non-tax recipients have been pegged at Rs 13,500 crores. From central assistance, a sum of Rs 17,891.48 crores, while from the share in the central taxes, a sum of Rs 22,050.10 crores, from public borrowings Rs 14,500 crores, and from advance taxes, a sum of Rs 70 crore is expected. The government hopes to earn a maximum of 25.49% from the state's own taxes, 24.16% from state's share of central taxes, 19.60% from grants in aid, 15.89% from borrowings, 14.79% from state-owned taxes, while from recovery of loans and advances almost 0.7% has been projected. The Jharkhand government has introduced outcome budget in 11 departments. Poor people will be given sari, dhoti and lungi at the cost of Rs 10 only. There will be scholarship for tribal students to study abroad. Every 10 tribal student on merit basis will be selected under this scholarship program to study overseas. These were the main points of budget of Jharkhand of the financial year 2021-22. In the coming lectures also, we will discuss some more important topics of the current updations of Jharkhand. Till then, keep watching our channel and stay connected to our